With PDMPublisher, exporting flat patterns from a top-level assembly is fully automated. In this example, the export location is set to the DXF subfolder in the export folder on the C drive. I've enabled export references to file format individually, so the assembly and its references are processed. Next, I check Export Sheet Metal Flat Patterns to 1:1 DXF. This ensures only sheet metal parts are exported as flat patterns. The file names are automatically built using the part name, followed by the revision. To avoid processing everything, I filter by file name. In this case, I've limited it to parts named Base Shape and Control Panel. Then I click Publish. PDMPublisher starts processing the assembly and its references, loading them in memory first, then starts extracting the flat patterns and saves them to the target folder, all automatically. Here's a look at the generated DXF files, ready for manufacturing. Start exporting smarter today with PDMPublisher.